birthday.
Itong ginan nga, laban lang dyan tanan sa itong kinabuhi ron.
Tumagas na rin.
Ay, papel man! I love you, Conceto!
Ipawing muna pa. Ano pa? Labanin. Laban. Okay, one more. Okay. Isa? Wow, sige pa, Wing. Apoy na ka? Sige na, kaya birthday mo lang eh. Uy, kapoy. Sana lang yung kapoy. Sana lang ka manong. Ano ka galing man, uy. Ipa. Ay, hey. Pag-birthday na lang. Kiss na kiss. Kiss.
Hi, Nay! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come. God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nay. Wala na ako mamugas. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nay. I love you. Lamat sa tanan.
Hi, Nay! Happy birthday, Nay! Thank you so much, Nay. Kay Jati man, dyan ko ni matong hapit ko na buang ko. Ka-remember ko nga, ginatod ko ni matong grade 1 pa ako kamunilo. Salamat kayo, Nay, sa mga pag-alaga sa mga apo ni mo. Happy birthday! God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Nana Titing! On this special day, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for everything you have done to our family. Ang imong strength, wisdom, and love have shaped to who we are today. And unta, this year brings you joy, happiness, and peace that you deserve. And salamat di ay that you are our guiding light. And we are grateful to have you as our Nanay Titing. We love you dearly, Nanay Titing.
Hi, Nanay Titing! Happy birthday sa pinakagwapa nga Lola! Happy birthday, Nay!
Happy birthday, Ma. Maayong panglawas sa kanunay.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you. Dapat nagmaing panglawas sa...
Hi, Nay. I just want to greet you a happy birthday and more birthdays to come. I'm so blessed to have you as my Nanay Titing, and I wish you a lifetime of happiness.